So I've got the first mod done on my patrol. It's a real simple one, but I'm going to share it with you anyway. So I've changed over. I had a spare brake controller. This is a lot better unit than the previous one there. It was just a simple matter of cutting the wiring that was existing already here and just crimping it on. Now this did have a constant power from the battery, so in order to get around that, I have just used one of these piggyback fuse holders and just taken that off an ignition source and run it up through this yellow wire. It's earthed up under the chassis up there and just goes through this little mini relay just right here. So by doing that, it just means when I've got ignition off, this unit shuts down, whereas before the brake controller was staying active all the time. This unit is a Tekonsha P3. Now if you're wiring these up from scratch, the black wire, you might think that's a negative, but it's actually the positive feed from the battery. Red is your brake trigger switch, white is the negative, and blue goes to the electric trailer brakes. So yeah, that's the first mod change, whatever you want to call it, out of the way. If you'd like to see how this rig progresses with me, then don't forget to subscribe and join me for the next video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video, and you know the rest of the drill. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.